I just went for a bike ride. It was really good, but it wasn't enough. Do you want to see me do some wimpy push-ups? Watch this. Good. You see my knees? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah, 7, 8, yeah, 9, 10, yeah. You can't stop there. Yeah, do sit-ups. Holy fuck. Use my language. Do some sit-ups. Do sit-ups. Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, you feel that one? Oh yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. 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 I don't think you want to stick around for round 2. But that's the best way to get rid of your stress, man. Get outside, some fresh air. It's good for your eyes, it's good for your heart. And then come home and work your muscles. And get really hungry. And then crash like nobody's business. Get outside.